So I'm going to show you how to change or how to set the default microphone on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into settings and then go to sound and vibration, tap on that, scroll down until you get to more. And if you tap on that, you will see the option recording device for camera. So basically what records your voice or ambient sounds when you're using the main camera of the phone. So it's set to external microphone. And this is the best setting to set it at, because if you set it to internal microphone, sometimes you might forget to switch when you connect an external microphone. So leave it on external microphone. But of course, if you have an external microphone, maybe you have a headset connected, but you still want to use the device's microphone, then you can select internal microphone. But for most people, you want to leave it at external microphone so that when you have nothing connected, it of course uses the internal microphone. But when you have an external microphone connected, you don't need to go to the settings. It will just go and record directly from the external microphone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.